In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number in Splitwise. Adding your phone number is a simple way to secure your account and make it easier for friends to find you. So let's walk through the process step by step on the Splitwise website. First, open your web browser and log into your Splitwise account. Once you're on the main Splitwise page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile area, usually showing your name or profile picture. This is where you access your account settings. Next, move your mouse over that profile area and you'll notice a small downward pointing arrow beside your name or avatar. Click on this small arrow. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Your Account and click on it. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all of your personal information, including your email, password, and of course, your phone number. Once you're on the account settings page, scroll until you find the section labeled Phone Number. This is where your current phone number will appear, or it may be blank if you haven't added one yet. To change or add a number, look for the Edit option next to the phone number field and click on it. Now, you should see a field where you can type in your phone number. Make sure you enter the correct number, including the appropriate country code if Splitwise asks for it. Take a moment to double check for any typos, because this number may be used for things like verification or account recovery. After you've entered your phone number and confirmed that it's correct, look for the Save button near that section. Click on Save to apply your changes. Splitwise will now update your account with the new phone number. In some cases, the platform may send a verification code to your phone, so if that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number in Splitwise. This small update helps keep your account secure